1, 2, 3.
Jingle bell.
Rudolph.
Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer, had a very shiny nose. Like a egg pop! And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. Like a egg pop!
All of the other reindeers used to laugh and call him names.
Like a Nopio.
They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer game.
Like a Nopio.
Okay.
I like to sing it.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
Like a egg pop.
Then all the reindeer loved him, and they shouted out with glee,
Like a love pop.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.